Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic characteristics of living things. As you know, all living things are made up of cells. Cells are the building blocks of life. The study of cell is called cell biology. The cell is made up of some components. These components are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole, chloroplast, and cell wall. Let's discuss them one by one. So, the first one is cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. The next one is nucleus. The nucleus is called the powerhouse of the cell. All the activities of the cell are controlled by the nucleus. The cytoplasm is a thick, clear, jelly like substance present inside the cell membrane. Most of the chemical reactions within a cell take place in this cytoplasm. The next component is vacuole. The function of a vacuole is to store food, water, and waste substances. Chloroplast. Plant cells contain green pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs energy from the sun and helps the plant to make its food. The last one is cell wall. The cell wall is made up of a tough material called cellulose. It supports and protects the plant cell. Dear students, can you point out which cell belongs to a plant and which one belongs to an animal? Well, this is the animal cell and this one is the plant cell. Let's differentiate them. Plant cells and animal cells both have cell membrane. They both contain cytoplasm and nucleus. A plant cell has one large vacuole and an animal cell has many small vacuoles. Plant cell also contain cell wall and chloroplast. Dear students, there is a variety of living things on the earth. What characteristics do all organisms or living things that make them different from non living things? Let's study these in detail. All living things need food, respire, reproduce, can move by themselves, and all living things need have sensitivity. So, living things need food in order to perform their life process. Animals get this energy by eating plants and other animals. Plants possess chlorophyll and make their food themselves through a process called photosynthesis using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Both plants and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide when they respire. They use oxygen to break down food in order to obtain energy. Some animals, like humans, use their lungs to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Others breathe through their skin or gills, like fishes. Most animals move from place to place in search of food, water, shelter, and to avoid danger. This movement is called locomotion. So, plants move in a different ways. Since they prepare their own food, they need not to grow from place to place in search of food. But certain parts of a plant show movements. For example, the leaves move in a direction of a sunlight. All living things have sensitivity. They respond or react to things in their environment. When an animal realizes it is in danger, it runs for safety. You remove your hand quickly when you touch a very hot pot. All living things need to reproduce. So, reproduction is the process by which living things make a new life. Animals produce young ones. Plants produce seeds. All living things produce waste material. Removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. One of the last characteristics of living thing is that all living things need to grow and go through a life cycle. All have babies which grow and resemble their parents. Adult plants produce seeds which grow to make new plants. Thank you my dear students. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Subscribe the channel for more learning videos. Thank you.